morning, everybody. How are you all? Hope you all fine at home, isn't it? Okay. Today we are going to see basic topics on mathematics. Okay, children. We are going to see tables from 2 to 5. Okay. What are the tables we are going to see, children? Here, 2 table, 3, 4, and 5 table. Okay. Shall we start to see from 2 table, children? Okay. See, 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are, what it is? 12. Isn't it? You all know 2 table, isn't it, children? Okay. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 10 2s are 20. Okay, children. Shall we repeat the 2 table? 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 10 2s are 20. Okay, children. Shall we move to 3 table? Okay, 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. 10 3s are 30. Okay, children. Shall we repeat it again? See, 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. 10 3s are 30. Okay, children. Next we are going to see 4 table. Okay. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 8 4s are 32. 9 4s are 36. 10 4s are 40. Okay. Shall we repeat it again? 4 table, children. See, 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 8 4s are 32. 9 4s are 36. 10 4s are 40. Okay, children. Shall we move to the 5 table? 1 5 is 5. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. Okay, children. Today what we have learned? We have learned the tables from 2 to 5. Okay. You all 3 table, 4 table and 5 table. Okay children, we all clear about it? You must know all the tables children from 2 to 5 what we have learned today in the class. Okay children, shall we move to the place value? Okay, we are going to see. Okay children, now we are going to see place value for Indian system and international system. Okay children, what we are going to see? We are going to see place value for Indian system and international system. Okay, first we are going to see the place value for Indian system. Okay, shall we start to see from one by one children? Okay, we are in Indian systems we will start from ones. In Indian system we have start from ones. Okay children, and then tens, and then what is tens? Okay, ones, and then tens, and then hundreds, and then hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, and then thousands, and then thousands. Next 10,000. Next 10,000s, and then lakhs. Then what is the next to 10,000? Lakhs. And the next to lakhs, what it is? 10 lakhs. What did children see? 10 lakhs. And then next crores. Next crores. The last 10 crores. Okay children, in this Indian system, okay, for place value we have to follow this only. Okay, I repeat it again. See children, one, we have to start from ones, isn't it? You know this, isn't it? We have to start from ones place always. Okay, and then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay children, this is place value for what children? Yes, very good. This is the place value for Indian system. Okay, now we are going to see the place value for international system. Okay, shall we start from one by one children? Okay, see here, international system. Okay, always we have to start from one's place, isn't it? Always we have to start from one's place. So here also ones, and then next tens, then tens, and then hundreds. What is next to tens? Hundreds. This is what international? This is what system? International system, isn't it? Ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. Then what? Thousands. And then 10,000s. Next to thousand, 10,000s. And then 100,000. See? Next to 10,000 children. See, this is very, very important. Have to note it down in the international system. Next to 10,000, what the next what will come? 100,000. And then what is millions? What is millions? Okay. And then next to millions, 10 millions. Next to millions, 10 millions. And then last, next to 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, 100 millions. Shall I repeat it again for international system children? See, ones. Always we have to start from the ones place. Okay children, keep that in mind. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. See, very, very important children. 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, this is for what system children? This is for international system. Okay, we have saw the place value for Indian system and international systems. Now we are going to see the comparison of numbers in both both the system. See, here in the space, children, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands. From up to now, we have same, isn't it? Up to now, we have same in Indian system and international systems. But see here, children, lakhs. Here in Indian systems, after 10,000, we have lakhs, isn't it? If we move to the international system, see, after 10,000, we have more. 100,000. Here we have the difference. See, here we have lakhs in the Indian systems, and here we have 100,000 in international systems. Okay, children, this is very, very important. We have to know this difference here. See, and next to lakhs we have 10 lakhs, isn't it? And next to 100,000 is what we have? We have millions. We have millions. Where? We have millions in international systems, and we have 10 lakhs in Indian systems. From this column itself, you can see the difference in Indian systems and international systems. Isn't it, children? Okay, then next to 10 lakh, what we have in Indian system, children? We have crores in Indian system, isn't it? And what we have in international system? Isn't it? What is it, children? Yes, very good. What it does? 10 millions. What it does? 10 millions in international system. Okay. Then we move to the Indian system here. After 2 crores, what it come? 10 crores. Okay. See, 10 crores in Indian systems. And here 100 millions in international systems. Okay, children. See, lakhs. I'm repeating again, children. Watch it carefully. See, lakhs, 100,000. Here, 10 lakhs in Indian systems, millions in international systems. Here, crores in Indian system, 10 millions in international system, and 10 crores in Indian system, and 100 millions in international system. Okay, children. Based on the space value for Indian and international systems, we are going to see the problems. Okay, children. Shall we start to see that?
Okay, children, have you seen the comparison of numbers in both the systems? See here, again I'll recall you once again. Comparison of numbers in both the system of numeration. Okay, here they have given the place value as well as the numeration. Okay, so the numbers also given, that is numeration. Okay, children, see here it is given in Indian system and this is international system. Okay, let's see one by one. First we are going to see the Indian system. See, ones, 1. Okay, next tens, 10. Okay, here the numeration is given. Okay, next hundreds. See, the number is given 100. Next thousands. Okay, so here 1000. Okay, the number is in 1000. Next 10,000s. Okay, see here the number 10,000. How many zeros are there? See, 4 zeros. Okay, 140. That is 10,000s. Okay, next after 10,000 you have lakhs. Okay, so here they have given the numbers in lakhs. Okay, 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh. Next after lakhs you have 10 lakhs. Okay, so here they have given the numbers in 10 lakhs. Okay, so here 10 lakhs. Next crores. Okay, after 10 lakhs you have crores. So here they have given the numeration 1 crore. Next after 10 crores you have 10 crores. Okay, so here they have given the numeration 10 crores. So these are all comes under Indian system. Next move on to international system. Okay, so international also start from ones. Okay, 1 and then tens. Okay, after ones you have tens. So here the number is given as 10. Next hundreds. So the numeration here is 100. Next thousands. Okay, so here they have given the numeration 1000. Next 10,000. Okay, see the numeration 10,000. Next 100,000. Okay, after 10,000 you have 100,000. So here they have given the numeration. Okay. Next millions. After 100,000 you have millions. So here they have given the numeration 1 million. Okay. Next one. See 10 millions. After million you have 10 millions. So here they have given the numeration 10 millions. Next, after 10 millions you have 100 millions. Okay. So here they have given the numeration 100 millions. Okay children. So this is a comparison of Indian and international system. So where you have found the difference in the board itself you have seen, right? So here you have find the difference. So up to 10,000, from 1s to 10,000, both Indian and international systems are same. Where it change is in lakhs. Okay, after 10,000 you have lakhs in Indian system, but here it is 100,000. Okay, after lakhs here you have 10,000, next crore, next 10 crores, but here totally different. Okay, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay children, so how can you find whether the given number is in Indian system and international system? By seeing the commas. Okay, we always split the numbers by using commas. Okay, by seeing the commas only you have to find whether it is Indian system or international system. Okay, shall we see the example now? Yes. See children, first here they have given two example. Okay, first it is in Indian system. Okay, here we don't have any commas. Okay, now I'll tell you how to split the numbers. Okay, shall we start saying from the place value? Yes, so always we have to start from last number. Okay, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Okay, so always you have to start from last and move towards left. Okay children, so where you have to put the comma? See, ones, tens, 100. Okay, so before 100 you have to put comma. Okay, next 1,000, 10,000. This is thousands place. You have to put comma. And then lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, see, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so this is Indian system. Only the last, only you have 3 digits. After that and all you have to split 2 digits. That is Indian system. Okay, shall we see one more example? So here they have given some numbers. Okay, so shall we start placing the numbers according to the place value? Yes, so start from ones place, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, after 10 lakh you have crores. Okay, so where you have to put comma? So first we have to see the ones place, ones, tens, 100. So before 100 you have to put comma. Okay, the last 3 digits. Okay, before 3 digits you have to put comma. After that you have to split 2 digits. Okay, so this is thousands place, 1,000, 10,000. So this is thousands place. And this is lakhs place, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So before 2 digits. Okay children, so at last you have only 1 digit. So leave as it is. Okay, so like this you have to split the numbers. Okay, by seeing the commas you can find out whether it is Indian system or international system. Shall we see the international system now? Fine. Now here you have international system. Okay, so see the first example. So this is ones and this is tens. This is hundreds, and this is thousand, and this is 10,000, and this one is 100,000. Okay, here only you should be very careful, children. After 10,000 you have 100,000. Next, million. Okay, so where you have to split the numbers, where you have to put the commas. So last 3 digit, okay, before 3 digit, and this is hundreds place, sorry, thousands place. Okay, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So this 3 numbers comes under thousands. So before this 3 digit. Okay, see, in international system it's very simple. You have to split 3 numbers. Okay, in Indian system only the last 3 digit and then 2 digit number you have to split, but in international system everything you have to split 3 numbers. Okay, before 3 digit you have to put comma, and next 3 digit you have to put comma. Okay, fine, children. See the second problem. So this is from last 3. Okay, ones, tens, 100. Before hundreds, next 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, you have to put comma. Next, million, 10 million. Okay, only 2 digit, just leave as it is. Okay, children, so by using comma you can find out whether it is Indian system or international system. Okay, no need to give the topics whether it is Indian system or international system. By using these commas you have to find out whether it is Indian and international system. Okay, children, shall we move on to some more problems now? Yes.
Okay, children, now we are going to see the problems based on place values for Indian system and international system. Okay, children, shall we start to see that? You see, write the numbers in Indian system of numerization. Okay, what is the number given here? From this number, we are going to place this number in this Indian system. Okay, children, what is given in the ones place? Ones, tens, 100. Okay, what is in the thousands place? 1,000, 10,000, and then lakhs, lakh, 10 lakhs, the crores, crore, 10 crore. This is what system, children. This is the Indian system of numerization. Okay, we have to place the given number according to this order. Okay, we have to start from this digit. Is it? You have to know this, isn't it, children? You have to start the last and towards the left, isn't it? Okay, this number we have to place according to this order correctly. Okay, what is the last number given here, children? What is the number here? 9, isn't it? What is the number here? 9. Okay, it is in the ones place. What place is it? It is in the ones place. So we have to place this number 9 in the ones place. Okay, children, are you clear about it? Okay, shall we move to the next number? See what it is? 3. What is the number here? 3. Which place here? It is in the tens place, isn't it? It is in the tens place. So you have to place this 3 in the tens place. So you have to write this 3 here, tens place. Okay, and then shall we move to the next number? See what is the number here? 1. What is the number here? 1. Okay, you have to place this 1 in the hundreds place. Okay, we have completed this ones place. Okay, shall we move to the next? Here, thousands. Okay, in thousands we have 1,000 and 10,000, isn't it? So what is the next number? We have here 1. What is the next number? We have here 1. Okay, we have to take this 1 to the thousands place. Which place is that? Thousands place. So we have to place this 1 here. Okay, and then what is the next number? 2. What it is? 2. What is the place value for this? 10,000, isn't it? So we have to place this number 2 to the 10,000. Okay. See, okay, we have completed the thousands place, isn't it? Next, move to the lakhs place. And what's the number? Next, we have to move to the left, isn't it, children? See, what is the number here? 4. What is the number here? 4. We have to place this 4 to the left. We have to place this 4 to the left. Okay, we're going to write 4 in the lakhs place. And then see, what is the number here? 0. What is 0? We have to place the 0 into the 10 lakhs. Okay, 0. Okay, we have completed this lakhs place, isn't it? And then to move to the crores. What is the number? 4. What it is? 4. We have to place this number 4 to the crores place. Okay, 4. And then what is the last number given us? 3. Okay, we have to place this number 3 to the 10 crores. Okay, children, we have completed this Indian system of numerization, isn't it? Now we are going to read this. How we will read this? See, 34 crores. See, 34 crores, 4 lakhs, 21,139. Okay, children, see, 34 crores, 4 lakhs, 21,139. Okay, children, we have completed Indian system of numerization, isn't it? Now we are going to see the numbers in international systems. Okay, children, see, write the numbers in international system of numerization. Okay, what is the number given here? They have given the number. We are going to split this like this. Okay, like international systems. Okay, ones, tens, 100. Okay, in thousands place, see, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Here only have the difference in Indian and international system, isn't it, children? In Indian systems, you have lakh, and international systems, you have 100,000. Isn't it? Here we have the difference, isn't it, children? Okay, then move to the millions. We have million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, see, what is the last number? We have to start from the last digit. We have to move towards the left, isn't it? What is the last number given here? 5. In which place it will come? Very good, it will come in ones place, isn't it? Okay, we have to place the number 5 in ones place. And what's the number next? 6. It is in the tens place. So you have to place the number 6 to tens. And then what is the number here? 1. We have to place the number 1 to hundreds place. And then see, we have to move towards left, isn't it? We have completed the ones and we will move to the thousands. Okay, see, what is the number here, children? 1. Okay, we have to move this 1 to the thousands place. And then what is the number given here? 2. Okay, we have to move this 2 to the 10,000. Okay, and then what is the number here? 4. We have to move this 4 to the 100,000. Okay, 4. And then see, what is the number? 0. We have completed the 1,000, isn't it? To move to the millions, we have to place this number 0 to millions place, and then we have to move this number 5 to the 10 million. Okay, that's why we don't have any number after this. Okay, we have to left this. Okay, children, see how you have to read this. 50 million. What is 50 million? 421,000. Okay, 421,165. Okay, see, children, I repeat it again. 50 million, 421,165. Okay, children, are you all clear about how to place the number like in the Indian and international system, children? Okay, we are going to see addition problems. Okay, children, shall we start to see that? Okay, children, next we are going to see addition problems. Okay, just now we have learnt about the place values for Indian and international system, isn't it? You know very well about the place values, isn't it? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Here the numbers are given. You have to place this number according to the place values. Okay, children. Always we have to start the number from the ones and we have to move towards the left. Okay, children. Keep that in mind and we have to place these given numbers according to the place values. Okay, children. Shall we start to place this number according to this, children? See what is the last number given here? 4. Okay. 4 and then tens place 0 and 100 place 7, thousands place 8, 10,000 place 3, lakhs place 9 and 10 lakh place 4. Okay, we have placed these numbers according to the place values. Okay, children, and then addition we have to add. Okay, and then see, I already said, isn't it? We have to place the values from the ones place and we have to move to the left. The second number, okay, shall we start to place? See, 7 in ones place and 1 in tens place and hundreds is ones place, 2 in thousand, 4, 10,000 and 3 in lakhs place. See, children, here we have one number left out, isn't it? So always keep in mind, children, while adding, while writing the place values, you have to start it from the ones place to the left. Okay? If you did any wrong in this, the whole problem will make mistake, children. So you have to start from the ones place. Okay, children. Now we have placed this value. Now we are going to add this. Okay, children. Shall we start to add this? Okay, what is that? 7 plus 4. Okay. 7 plus 4, 11. Okay. 1, you have to carry over this 1 to the next. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. What is it? 8 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? 10, isn't it? Okay. 0, 1 you have to carry over to the next. Okay. And 4 plus 3, how much? 3 plus 4, how much, children? 7, isn't it? You have to add this 1 also. Okay. 7 plus 1, 8, isn't it? Okay. 8. Okay. 8. And then see, 9 plus 3, how much, children? 12, isn't it? 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. 2 you have to carry over 1 here. Okay. Here, what is the answer? 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. We find out the answer, isn't it, children? See, 52 lakh 80,821. Okay, children. First problem is over. Shall we go to the second one? See, like this. What I said is the first problem. Okay, children. Next problem. See, here the numbers are given. Like the same way, we have to place this number according to the place value. Okay, children, shall we start to place these numbers according to this place value? Okay, what is the last number given here? 3. We have to always start from that side and we have to move towards the left. Okay, what is the place value? 3. Okay, have to move towards 1s and then 6 to 10s and 4 to 100 place and 1,000 to 4 to the thousands place and 4 to 10,000 and 8 to the lakh place and 7 to the 10 lakh and 4 to the crores place. Okay, we have placed these numbers here, isn't it? Okay, and the next number. Okay, shall we place this number? Always we have to start from this last, isn't it? From the ones place. Okay, 6 to the ones place, 8 to the tens and 9 to the 100 place, 7 to the thousands place, 4 to the 10,000, next 2 to the lakhs place, next 8, 10 lakh and then last digit is 2 to the crores place. Okay, children, now we are going to add this number. Okay, 3 plus 6. What is the value for 3 plus 6, children? Yes, very good. 9, isn't it? 9. Okay, and then what is the value for 6 plus 8? What it is? Next, we have to move on to tens place. place. Okay. 6 plus 8. What is the value, children? 14, isn't it? What is the value? 14. Okay. In this ones, tens. Okay. 4 is the ones place and 1 is the tens place. Okay. We have to write always the ones place 4 here and the tens place 1 we have to carry over to the next. Okay. We have to carry over this 1 to the next place, which means 100 place. Okay. So we have to put this 1 here. Okay. Now we are going to add this 4 plus 9. How much, children? 13. Okay. 13 and after that also we have to add this 1 also. Okay. Should not forget this 1, children. Okay. 13 plus 1, 14. Okay. 14. Now we have 2 digit. We got 2 digit number, isn't it? Ones place we have to write here and the tens place we have to carry over to the thousands place. Okay. 1. Okay. Next we will move to the thousands. Okay. See here 4 plus some. How much? 11. Isn't it? 4 plus 7, 11. We have to add this 1 also. Okay. 11 plus 1, 12. 11 plus 1, 12. Okay. Already I said, isn't it? We have to write this 2 here and we have to write the 1. We have to carry over the 1 to the next place. 10,000. Okay. 1. We have to carry over the 1 to the 10,000. Okay. Here, see, add this digit number 4 plus 4. How much, children? 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Now they have to add this 1. Okay. 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Next, shall we move to the last place value, children? See, 8 plus 2. How much, children? 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Already I said, isn't it? 10. 2 digit number means you have to place, you have to write 0 here. You have to carry over the 1 to the next place. Okay. 1. Next means 10 lakhs. Okay. 1. And then add here how much you will get here? 8 plus 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 16. Okay. 6. We have to write 6 here. We have to write the place value here. Okay. We have to carry this 1 to the next. Next 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, children, we have finished the addition problems. Okay. How we will read this thing? 7 crores, 60 lakhs, 92,449. Okay, children, we have completed the addition. So today what we have taught, we have seen tables, place values for international, Indian systems and addition sums. Okay. Based on this, we'll get a worksheet, children. We have to write neatly in your paragraphs. Okay. Next class, we will see some more interesting topics. Thank you, children.